Lobsters are fascinating creatures because they don't age the way most animals do. Instead of getting weaker and slower over time, they keep growing and reproducing throughout their lives. They have a special enzyme called telomerase, which helps repair their DNA, allowing them to avoid the typical effects of aging. This means that, in theory, lobsters could live forever if they don't fall victim to disease, predators, or other external dangers. However, their shell, or exoskeleton, doesn't grow with them, so they have to molt and shed it to grow bigger. This process gets harder as they grow older, and eventually, it can be so taxing that some lobsters die during molting. Despite this, some lobsters have been found to live over 100 years. So, while they aren't truly immortal, lobsters are an amazing example of how nature can defy the aging process.